so I'm going to show you how to make this square. This can be either, you can make just squares and sew them together and make a blanket, or you can just go round and round and make a big blanket without having to sew anything. It just depends. This is actually the border, which I'll show you how to do as well. So this pattern is actually, it was written as a pattern that you would crochet back and forth, but I turned it into a square. So I'll show you. It's really easy, and again, you can use it for, you can make a lot of squares and sew them together, or just make a big square as a blanket. So it's really easy. So you're going to do your slip knot. You want to leave enough of a tail to sew it in. I'm just making a sample, so I don't need to sew in the ends. So we're going to chain up 4. Then you're going to double crochet in this first chain right here. You're going to do 3 double crochets. Actually 2 double crochets, sorry, because this counts as a double crochet, this one right here. Then you're going to chain 2. And you're going to do 3 double crochets. Goodness gracious. Okay. Then you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to do another set of 3 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2, and then do another set of 3 double crochets for a total of 4. You're going to chain 2 and attach up in the chain 3 space. Chain 3. In the chain 3, the first chain 3. So then you're going to cut your yarn to change colors. You have this little square right here. Okay. So you just attach the yarn in any corner. So here you're going to chain up 3, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and do 2 double crochets. Okay. Then you're going to crochet across. So just remember not to forget this first double crochet here. Oops. Goodness. Can I ever get this going? I waste more time. Actually, you will need to, I don't know if I mentioned that, I probably did. Just need to weave the ends. This is a sample, so I don't weave the ends. There's no point. But you will need to sew in the ends to make it secure, because if not, once you wash it, it will come undone. God, finally. Okay, so just double crochet all the way across, and then in every corner, this is the corner, it's always going to be the same. It's going to be 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. Do this one again. I don't know why. I have a hard time doing this on camera every time it happens. So again, you're just going to double crochet across, and then your your corner, and then double crochet all the way across, and then your corner. Okay, so once you've come to the beginning, you just slip stitch there. Cut your yarn. Attach it. So it's gonna be like this. Now let's go. Now you can make this, of course, any combination of colors that you want. So again, just attach your yarn anywhere. Actually, in any corner, I meant to say, not anywhere. Okay, so we're going to do another round of the solid, which is the same. You just chain up 3. Oh, I don't know why I always have an issue when I'm doing this. Oh, I'm doing this on camera. Okay. See? Okay, you're going to do your corner. Chain 2. And of course, the yarn gets stuck. Oh, this is a nightmare. Oh my God. What is it? What? Okay, I'm just gonna let me crochet this off camera, I swear. Now, okay, so then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna do your corner. You're gonna double crochet all the way across, and do your corner and double crochet. So that's the solid. That's always gonna be the same for any round of solid. So I'll come back and once I finish this. Okay, so then just attach it. I guess because I'm doing this so far away from my normal, I guess that's why I'm having issues crocheting like this. I'm scooped. Okay, so there is that one. So this next one, this next row is going to be the pattern. It's really easy. So you'll always start in a corner. So you're going to chain up 3 and do your corner. Okay, so then you're going to skip the first double crochet right here. To just be careful. It can hide behind this right here, so just make sure that you don't skip this one and start here because it throws off the pattern. So you're going to skip this first one, and in the second one you're going to do a V-stitch. A V-stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. You're going to skip 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one you're going to do 5 double crochets in the same space. Or in the same stitch, actually. 3, 4, and 5. And you're going to skip 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, goodness. So here in this one, in the 4th one, so it's 1 crochet before the corner is where you're going to do the, actually I'm missing a stitch, I think, because I should have 4 here. If you are, it's fine. Just make sure to do your V-stitch right here in this next to last to the corner. That's right, because I did this pattern. I made a square before this one, and it all turned out perfect. The count and everything. So I'm not sure what happened. I maybe have skipped a stitch. Okay. Then you're gonna do your corner. Chain 2, and then do your corner, and then again skip the first double crochet, and do your V-stitch in the next. One, two, three, and the fourth one, do your 5 double crochets. This chair is noisy too. Sorry. It's an old chair that I have. It's very comfortable and I want to change it. You're going to skip your 4. See, that's... Yeah, here it is, the 4th. So this one's right on this one. You're going to do your V-stitch and jump to the corner. So that's how you're going to do this round. It's really easy. Just do the same on all sides. Okay, so here we're at the end. So just do your last V-stitch. And you're just going to join on top of the chain 3. That's it. Now we're going back to the solid side. So just attach it and just the same. So you're going to double crochet all the way across. So make sure to, don't forget this one right here. That's right close to the corner. And just double crochet all the way across. And then this one right here, in this chain 1 space, you're just gonna do a double crochet. And you're just gonna double crochet all the way across. All the way across your corner. And then just all the way across. And don't forget your chain, your double crochet in the chain 1 space. Okay, so now we're back to the other round. So I'm just gonna go on another round of the pattern to show you, and then you will do a solid, and then I'm gonna show you how to do, the border, if you'd like to, you know, make it with this border. It's really easy. Okay, so again, you always start in your corner. I know a lot of people like doing squares. I don't. I don't like it. It's, to me, it just takes so long to finish all the squares and then attach them. So again, you're going to skip the first double crochet. Do your V-stitch in the next. We're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th. You will do your 5 double crochet in the same stitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, do your V-stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, do your 5 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4. So the next to last double crochet, you're going to do your V-stitch. So it did work out fine. Okay, and that's it. You do your corner, and then your pattern again, and then all around. Just do this all around. So once you have either finished your blanket or your square, and you're going to attach them. Anyway, you should end, of course, in this row right here. So let's say, just pretend that this is a blanket, and we're going to do the border. So if you finish, you can start with a new color. If you do, just attach it here. I'm going to continue with this one. So I'm just going to slip stitch my way into this chain 2 space. So I'm going to chain up 2, and then I'm going to do a half double crochet, chain 2, I'm going to do another half double crochet, and then another. So that's going to be your corner, 2 half double crochets, chain 2, 2 half double crochets. You're going to skip this first double crochet, and here, actually, oh goodness, I don't remember if I did skip. Let me see. No. Actually, I didn't skip. Or did I? Yeah, I did. Okay. Goodness gracious. So you're going to skip this, and you're going to do you're going to skip this first double crochet. Then in the next one, you're going to do a half double crochet. You're going to chain 5. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to skip 1 double crochet, and then in the next, you're going to do a single crochet. So again, you're going to chain up 5. You're going to skip 1 and then single crochet. Chain 5. Then skip 1 and then do this. So you're going to do this all the way across, and I'll meet you here. So coming up to the next corner, you're going to skip this one, and then, oh goodness, you're going to skip this one and go to the next one, and then chain 5, let me see what I did here. You skip this one, and of course it's going to be, actually no, because you skipped 1. You should have 1 left. Okay, it's fine. Just do like this. It doesn't matter. It's just the border. I can't really tell. So then here I'm going to, oh, of course, it didn't turn out. Why would it? So if you have 2 left, just go ahead and do your single crochet there, the last one before the corner, and then do your corner. Just 2 double crochets, chain 2. Then skip this one right here. The next, do your single crochet. So it's fine. Again, if you have extra or not enough, it's fine. For some reason, when I did the sample, it worked. But I didn't make note, though, of how I started. So anyway, but it doesn't matter, like I said. You really can't tell, it's just the border. So just continue on all around, and then I'll come back for the last round of the border. See, now on this side, it did work. So I did one here, so this single crochets do there in the corner. So not sure what happened on this side, but again, I mean, you will not notice, they won't notice the difference. Or so it's a forgiving edge pattern, which means that if you make a mistake, it's fine. Nobody will ever know. In fact, I bet that if you once you make this blanket, after a while, you're not going to even remember, or you're not going to know where you made a mistake. It happens if you do a lot of projects. So that's it. Okay, so I'll continue and I'll be back. Okay, so the last round actually, I'm going to attach the yarn to any corner. Let me see. Let me do the slip stitch on this one. If you know familiar with the flip stitch, Jesus, slip stitch, not slip stitch, slip knot. Goodness gracious. Okay, attach it to any corner. Then you're going to do 2 more single crochets in that corner. You're going to jump to this chain 5 space and do 7 single crochets, and that's it. 4, 5, 6, 7, and just jump to the next and continue. So in the corner, what you're going to do, see here in the corner, you're just going to do 3 single crochets in the corner and continue. So this is how this looks. It's a little wavy. So that's how you go. And it gives that nice wavy look. It's different. And that's it for the pattern. It's a really quick, nice, easy pattern. Again, it's relaxing. It just depends on what you want to do with it. But I like it. It's pretty nice. So let me know if you have any questions. My email, I always include my email address. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.